சாப்பிடலாம். போய் எட்டு ரூபா ஸ்டாண்டில் போட்டுருவா. அப்படியா? Arena. Arena. Sir. Sir, sorry. Sir, కొంచెం sir.
My Lord, Honorable Acting Chief Justice, My Lord, Honorable Justice D. Raju, Judge Supreme Court of India, Honorable Judges, Honorable former judges, Justice N. Paul Vasandakumar, Justice K. Venkatraman, Justice B. Rajendran, Justice A. K. Rajan, Justice M. Govindarajan, Justice V. Bharatidasan, Justice N. Kirubakaran, Justice Ravichandra Babu. My respected seniors, good afternoon to one and all. Today, we have assembled here to open a library section in the name of a great man who is our former president, Mr. Shri.M.Venkatachalapathy. Though it is long due, this committee has taken initiative to open this library section in the name of the former president of MBA, Mr. Shri.M.Venkatachalapathy. I would like to, though he is a very popular person, I would like to share few words about the late Mr. Shri.M.Venkatachalapathy. Mr. Shri.M.Venkatachalapathy was born on 21st April 1944 to Sri D. Muthaya Mudaliar and Sri Dhanalakshmi Ammal at Tirunelveli. He did his school education at Tirunelveli and joined the Government Arts College, Madras in the year 1960 and completed his BA degree in the year 1964. Then joined the Madras Law College in the year 1965 and got BL degree in the year 1967 and enrolled in the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu on 31st January 1968. He joined in the office of the then government pleader Sri G. Ramanujam, later became Judge, Madras High Court, initially as an apprentice, and after enrollment he became his junior. Honorable Mr. Justice S. Mohan was appointed as Assistant Government Pleader Tax, and Shri.M.Venkatachalapathy was assisting Honorable Justice S. Mohan till his elevation as Honorable Judge of this Honorable High Court. On his elevation in the year February 1974, Shri.M.Venkatachalapathy joined with Sri Doraisamy Raju, later a Judge, Madras High Court, in the chambers of Mr. R. Krishnamurthy, former Advocate General, the Bhishma of the Madras Bar. Shri.M.Venkatachalapathy was designated as a senior advocate in the year 1996. He started independent practice mostly on the appellate, original side and constitutional cases. He was legal advisor for the Food Corporation of India, Andhra Pradesh State Road Transport Corporation, Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation, Tamil Nadu Textbook Society, Bharatiyar University, Arulmigi Dandayadapani Swami Devasthanam Padani, Tuticorin Port Trust, Tuticorin. He has served as an executive committee member, librarian, secretary and president of the Madras Bar Association. The 130th year and 135th year celebration of this prestigious Madras Bar Association was held under the presidentship of Sri M. Ravindran, Senior Advocate, and under the active coordination of the late Senior Advocate Sri M. Venkatachalapathy as a secretary. He was married to Srimati Samandiswari and blessed with a daughter, Selvi Ratna, now residing along with her family at Melbourne, Australia. His son, Mr. Ramesh Venkatachalapathy, who is assisting him all along with his younger brother, Mr. M. Shriram, both of them members of our association. Many juniors have emerged as successful lawyers under the able guidance of late Shri.M.Venkatachalapathy. A few to be mentioned are Mr. T.L. Ramakrishnan, Mr. S.M. Loganathan, Mr. M. Shriram, Honorable Mr. Justice B. Rajendran, former Judge of this Honorable Court, late Mr. D. Rajendran, Mr. D. Balaraman, Mr. R. Devaraj, Mr. G.K.R. Pandian, Mr. T. Ravi Kumar, Mr. R. Karthikeyan, Mrs. Suganya Devi Doraisamy. The Madras Bar Association honored Mr. M. Venkatachalapathy on his completion of 50 years standing at the bar on the occasion of the Law Day celebration on 26th November 2018 by presenting a citation by the then Honorable Chief Justice. Now I request Honorable Acting Chief Justice to open the library section in the name of Mr. Shri.M.Venkatachalapathy. I request family members to join. Madam. Now I request Mr. G. Masalamani, former president, and Mr. M. Ravindran, former president, senior advocates, please come and honor the former judge of Supreme Court, Justice D. Raju. I request Honorable Acting Chief Justice to present a memento to Honorable Justice D. Raju. I request Honorable Justice N. Paul Vasantakumar, former Chief Justice J&K, to come and honor our acting Chief Justice. I request Honorable Acting Chief Justice to say a few words.
Good afternoon to all of you. My esteemed, beloved brother and sister judges, Honorable Justice Raju, former judge of the Supreme Court, former Chief Justice of Jammu Kashmir, and former judges of our High Court, Mr. Kamalanathan, President, Srinivasan, Secretary, Treasurer, Office Bearers of Madras Bar Association, family members of Shri.M.Venkatachalapathy, who have come here to grace the occasion on the occasion of opening the library section by donating very huge amount of rupees 3 lakhs. Senior members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. I think today I'll be the luckiest person to give many more library section to our MBA. In fact, Mr. Kamalnathan was mentioning just now, I was just asking only these, few books are all given. So I can also give, double the, number of books. And he said 3 lakhs are also given. 3 lakhs, has to be given to open up a library section in our MBA. So in that way also, I have, as far as till today, I have given you almost 5 sections. So 5 into 5, 15 lakhs. Yes. So therefore, I am I am one of the luckiest persons so far as your library section is concerned now. Many people can say good things about the library, but I can list out only few things. How one book has caused a radical reform, a revolution in the world. We all know the Constitution of India, the father of our Indian Constitution, Dr. Ambedkar, being a father of chairman of the drafting committee along with the 6 members, given us the Constitution. It guarantees many valuable and precious rights. The high class rights have been guaranteed to all the citizens. It not only guarantees high class guarantees to the citizen and also to non-citizens. I do not want to say many things about the valuable and precious rights guaranteed by the Constitution of India, given by the father of the Indian Constitution. I can just tell you only few things. Among all other precious rights, we have Article 14 that guarantees, tells the state shall not deny to any person equality before law and equal protection of law within the territory of India. If you see Article 19, it lists out various fundamental rights, basic rights. Among all these things, I would say 3 important things: liberty, equality, and fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual. Why? To give unity and to safeguard the sovereignty of the nation. Unless you have the fraternity, you may not be able to have unity in the nation. So these liberty, equality, and fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual, to give unity to the nation, to give sovereignty to the nation, these three ideals are very, very important, and that has been guaranteed with the Constitution. How these rights have come in? These three rights, among all other rights, Dr. Ambedkar has borrowed from various constitutions. These liberty, equality, and fraternity have been borrowed by the father of the Constitution from the French Revolution. From the French Revolution, we have borrowed these three important ideals. Who was given to this in a French Revolution these three ideals, the liberty, equality, and fraternity? There was a person called Rousseau. He was born in Switzerland, in Geneva. He came to France in the year 18th century, 1715. He was a thinker. He has authored a book called Social Contract. There he has enshrined, he has mentioned and advocated the importance of the liberty, equality, and fraternity. The book authored by Rousseau, look at it, how it has impacted the people living in other world. We all know Karl Marx, who was driven out from Germany because of his radical thoughts and ideas. He went out from Germany, lived in London, Great Britain. He was coming across this book and then he read over the book. Look at the idea, how it has blossomed into the capital, the Das Kapital. Karl Marx has authored Das Kapital purely based on the book reading of the book given by Rousseau. To be more and precise, look how this Das Kapital, authored by Karl Marx, has traveled from London to US and UK and other places. When this book went to Russia, two revolutionary leaders, Lenin and Joseph Stalin, they were repeatedly going through the books. Finally, they said, the philosophy advocating the capitalism has to go. The philosophy advocating the socialism, the communism has to be accepted. Today, Lenin and Joseph Stalin has dethroned the Tsar government. Ultimately, they restored what he called the socialism and capitalism only because of reading two books, one by a book authored by Karl Marx, that is Das Kapital. That has been made only because of the social contract authored by Rousseau. Today, not only the Russia, if you go to the great China, Yugoslavia, Poland, Vietnam, one idea has blossomed into several nations. So one book is able to change the entire world, entire country, and the entire credit will have to go to one author and one idea that has been given by Mr. Rousseau. You know how this Rousseau was working and living. One day, he was not having a food. He was just waiting for his friends to come and give at least one square food. 2 days have gone by. He was not having any, money or whatever, any friends to give him food. He decided to sell away his clothes, went to the market. His friends, after coming to know that this man has gone to market, came there. By the time he has sold away his clothes, they were under the impression that Rousseau has sold away his clothes only for the purpose of buying bread and butter. But this man, after getting the money, he went to the market and purchased the books. And the man who is loving the book, a man who is having patience for the book, has made several nations. That is the greatness and the importance of reading the book, authoring the book. So in that context, I would say one book has made not only one nation, several nations. Therefore, after reading all the books, I request all of you to make good nation and good high court and good community, good society. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity.
I request Honorable Justice D. Raju, former Judge, Supreme Court of India, to say a few words. Very strict judge. By heart, very lenient.
By action, very strict. Many of us don't. Lord Justice, Honorable Justice T. Raja, Chief Justice of the Madras High Court, Honorable Judges, sitting Honorable Judges, former Judges of the High Court, Chief Justices, elder members of the bar, younger members of the bar, lady members of the bar, members of the Venkatachalapathy's family, President, Secretary. It's a great privilege that has been given to me, I say, because this man has been with me for 22 long years as my junior. In between, R. Krishnamurthy, then Advocate General, offered him to become a post, that is, additional government pleader. I said, you go, when the number one place in my office will be always vacant, I said. He said, nothing. As long as you are a lawyer, I will never leave you. That is how he stick. Another secret I will say, I don't know, he is already disclosed. When Swami was sending the last list of the judges, there was death to white people. He called, somebody told him, Justice Raju's junior. He said he refuses to become a judge. Swami was very harsh to me, saying, you say 22 years he was with you, can you not pressurize or prevail with him to accept this post, brother? Everybody is clamoring. He has a daughter, he has to provide for it. He has made his son to study law. They will be in the streets. He is not, I cannot press him and spoil his family, I see. So that is what Venkatachalapathy was. Much has been said about Venkatachalapathy, about his biodata and all those things. And you have seen how he has been in the profession, as well as his, I will say, the secretary, president, this, that, and the bar association are human resources servants. They will have to take care of everybody, conflicting interests of many and all those things. That is why you say. So that is how you are. So you know all him, his temperament, his character, everything. The moment he got enrolled, for a few months he was there. Then I was with the government pleader, then assistant. First I was serving A. Alagiri Swami. Then when V. Ramasamy became additional GP in charge of writs, then Chief Justice said, then the writs, even central governments writs were being done only by the additional government pleader. Very late years only. So I was put in charge of taxation, imports, exports, central exchange, this thing, and central General Sales Tax Act, all taxation in the Justice Ramasamy's office. So when he became public prosecutor, Mohan became assistant government pleader commercial taxes. So he took me to his office. And Venkatachalapathy's father was a retired deputy commercial tax officer. Very honest commercial tax officer, I would say. So Justice Jagadisan recommended him to keep him with you in that office. That is how he came to me. So then Mohan became government leader. Lot I carried rather Venkatachalapathy with me wherever I go. Then after Venkatachalapathy came, R.K. sir came back to the profession. He left the profession and came back to the profession. So I started serving with him. In his chambers we all worked because his house is near my house and all. So like that he has been continuously till I became a judge. He was. Therefore his association with Justice Mohan, Justice Ramasamy, Justice R.K., everybody has been like that. Then I had been holding several, what has been listed. I have been holding that. When I became a senior advocate, I wrote letters to say, kindly see whether you can provide and give those offices to me. Because they were already these office bearer, the officials were coming and having contact, while contacting with me, he was assisting me. So they all gave these offices to him also, impressed by his. So that is how Venkatachalapathy was. Venkatachalapathy's father, family, a little I will say, you will excuse me for that, because it is to be told. It is a very respectable family. His father and mother did not know the present days thing. Venkatachalapathy is number 3 out of 10, of which it is 8 plus 2. But none gone waste. The first person, his wife is here, Assistant Director of Forensic Laboratory. Number 2, perhaps that madam is not here in America with her son, only son. He was retired IG, prisons. Number 3, Venkatachalapathy, he would have become a judge, he relinquished, declared. Number 4, Dhanushkoti, he was the retired principal of the Presidency College. 5, Jai Kumar, one joint director, agriculture. Then Shri.M. here. He joined all these juniors, starting from Venkatachalapathy, T.L. Ramakrishnan, Balraman are all my juniors. I gave the entire office 1,600 briefs, I will take, but I have not earned that much. I was poor man's lawyer. I was fighting for the hand to mouth. That is how it was. But 1,600 case bundles I have handed over. 50% of my books also to Venkatachalapathy, and put him with a burden of managing with 10 juniors who were with me. So that is how it was all. And his wife, Venkatachalapathy's wife, is Venkatachalapathy's maternal uncle's daughter. So that is how she was a strength to him till the end. So I know everyone in the family very personally, and they are all Venkatachalapathy's daughter is well settled in Australia, and it is what Puratchi Kavijar Bharatidasan said, Nalla Kudumbam oru Palgalikkalagam. Like that, that family, according to me, is a very reputed family. Many lessons can be learnt from by others, and Dhanushkodi one very, when Dhanushkodi is mother's father went for admission in the Presidency College, the then principal seems to have heckled. It is not for you, like a common man, this is meant for presidents, the princess. But his grandson became the principal of that college, sir. Destiny. So such was the family, very highly reputed family, respectable family, and no wonder he has earned the love and fraternity and every member of the bar. One more minute, I will be had. Chief Justice, sir, you were saying about the this fraternity and all, how he struggled to put the three. Anyone who can see now the Constituent Assembly debates, it is Nehru who stood very firm by his side to say that fraternity word, it should be there. Many have objected it, even for that equality also, and fraternity. The Constitutional Assembly was there. He was so, because as the Honorable Chief Justice said, if there is no fraternity, even equality will not ensure unity. Unless fraternity is ensured, unity is not ensured. And now, unfortunately or fortunately, the things that are happening are not pleasant. God save India, God will save India. Because ours says, my mentor Sati Sai Baba used to say, this is land of karma, this is land of punya, this. He will go on saying about 10 things about this Indian country. So that so much of rich heritage we have, that will save this country. With that, I again thank the Bar Association as well as the Venkatachalapathy's family for giving me this opportunity, and I immensely thank the Honorable Chief Justice, Madras High Court, for having obliged to come and inaugurate the assembly, because it's not according to me, it is not a privilege done to me, according to me, not a privilege done to the Bar Association, it is a privilege done to me, to my honor, my junior, that Honorable the Chief Justice was kindly consented to inaugurate this library section. Thank you all. God bless you all. All the best.
Respected President, Honorable Acting Chief Justice, Honorable Justice D. Raju, former Judge, Supreme Court of India, judges of this Honorable Court, present and past, respected past President of this association, respected seniors, members of the bar, and family members of Revered Senior, Mr. M. Venkatachalapathy. It is indeed a great day for MBA. For the first time, for a library inauguration, I see such a big audience. The participation of in such large numbers demonstrate the proof of the person in whose name we have inaugurated the library today. He is such a soft and loving senior member of the bar. We all used to be so close to him. We had the privilege of meeting him daily, sharing our daily food with him, etc. I thank the Honorable Acting Chief Justice for having inaugurated the library. Thank you very much, sir. This is you are so lucky for us. Fifth library section has been inaugurated today by you. I also thank Justice D. Raju, former Judge, Supreme Court of India. This is his first visit after we took over as office bearers of this association. I also thank all the present and former judges who are here in such large numbers. Thank you very much on behalf of MBA. Lastly, one more word about the senior is, his name is called Dora. In MBA and other family circles, we call him Dora. Every time when he was a secretary, the president is sitting here. Mr. Ravindran used to walk in and say, Dora, in the morning. That means a list of work, the president will give it to the secretary. So once the president leaves the court, we used to do that mimicry by the calling our senior as Dora. He used to take it with such fun, such was his kindness. I can't forget that. Thank you one and all for having been here. Thank you.